Hello guys, in this video I want to show you the difference between an affiliate user and a reseller. So I'm going to show you the difference between a reseller and affiliates and how it's going to benefit you the most. So the first thing you need to know is that to become an affiliate, you need to just go to the menu, click on the become affiliate over here, and you will see the services and charges, the discounts you get on each services, right? And to become an affiliate, you just need to click on the view all button on beside our service. You go to affiliates and you'll be able to create an affiliate app or website over here. So I'm going to take you to my notepad over here because I've written down the difference between an affiliate and a reseller. And note that I have created videos in order to educate you about these different services on our application. So if you want to become a reseller, you can watch our video on how to become a reseller. And if you want to create an affiliate app or website, you can watch our video on how to create an affiliate app or website. I'll leave those links in the description of this video and also on the comment section. So I'm going to go to my notepad right now, and I have written down things that stand out based on these two services, right? So the first thing you need to know as a reseller is that when you register as a reseller, you get a reseller discount on your account. Now, note that this reseller discount does not apply on a affiliate website or app. Now, if you're a seller on your charge app account and then you create an affiliate website or application, the discount on the account is not going to affect the price that is going to be given to you as an affiliate. So the different price for charge app accounts, and then once you have our own affiliate website or application, you get a different price on it. So you get a discount on your purchases when you're a reseller. So you can check out discount prices on the reseller page so you can learn more before you can make a purchase. So the next thing you need to know is as a reseller requires manual operation. You get, so when you're a reseller, you get orders, right? You get customers, they order for transactions like data, airtime, right? You need to go to your application, and then they need to send you money. You go to your application, you fund your wallet, you get, and then you do the transaction, and then you have delivered value to the customer, right? It requires manual operations. Everything is done manually. Everything is done by you, and you get you control everything that goes on, right? The third thing you need to know is that as a reseller, you have full control over the business, right? You have full control. You can receive payments to your bank account. You get, you can, if you want to service some people, you can. If you don't want to service some people, you can just tell them that you are not like you are off or something. You get, you can give bonuses. You can do control the whole stuff. You get to be the one that is do the operation and everything. So definitely you are under control. The fourth thing as a reseller is that the transaction and operation is done on the recharge app application. The discount is on your recharge app, so the transaction is done on the recharge app. You should need to know that you need to pay a fee to become a reseller. You get discounts, you need to pay a fee to become a reseller, and the transaction and the operation are done on the application, the recharge app platform. That is where the discount is function and is operating. So these are the things you need to know about the reseller. These are the differences between the reseller. You get. Now, when you are an affiliate, when you apply for an affiliate, it's 100%, you don't pay anything. But note that there is no discount for affiliate users. You get, there are no discounts for affiliate users. You don't pay a fee to get discounts. What you just need to do is to set your own price and then promote the website or the application, and then you make money from it. Second thing you need to know about an affiliate is that the operations are done automatically. It is automatic. You create a website and then you start promoting that website, right? So once you start promoting that website, people come into the website, they create an account, they fund their wallet, right? And once they fund their wallets, they make purchases, and you're making money without stress. No stress is done. You can do whatever you're doing, have your 9 to 5 job, keep your job, and then you're making money from the side by just promoting your website to people that need this services, right? And then you'll be making money. You don't need any stress. You don't even need to, as long as they're promoting and people are using it, you are making money consistently. Now, another thing you need to know about affiliates is that you have no control about the business. Like, it's automatic, so you have no control about it. Your control is only on the application that you're using as a recharge app user. Now, when you create a website, the website operates on its own. You don't have access to the customers. You don't have access uh, to anything. You can't fund. You can't create sub customer support. It's just done automatically. So you need to know these kind of things before you create. But I guarantee you that everything works perfectly. The next thing you need to know as an affiliate is that the transaction and operation is done outside the recharge app. You don't operate within the recharge app. It's working automatically. So you have a new website or a new application, an external platform that operates this whole transaction for you automatically. So it's completely outside the recharge app account. So these are the difference between the reseller and the affiliate service that we provide for you on the recharge app platform. So I hope this video is valuable to you. I hope you got value from this video, and I hope to see you on our next video. So stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this. And I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.